Today we're working on a 2016 Toyota Tundra. We're going to be replacing the expansion valve, and we figured out a way of how to get it done without pulling the dash. I'm going to start off by disconnecting the lines over here. And then we went ahead and got a few things out of the way in order to have easy access to it. It's actually right underneath it here on the driver's side. You'll be able to see the lines. I already got them out of the way. You'll be able to see them out come through there and hook up to the box right over there. No dash pull required. Basically labor time cut in half, if not less than that. In order to get to the bolts holding the line in, you will have to remove some of this insulation out of the way, basically gently peeling it off. The new expansion valve into place, you want to make sure you wrap up the insulation all around it just the way it was before you pulled it off. Okay, so now that we got that back on there, what we're going to do is we're also going to use something like this to wrap up the lines all the way to the firewall.